Thought if I turned off the screen, she would disappear, but she only gets louder. Static dancing on the screen, she appears inside the white between. Pale face, broken smile, whispers through the signal all the while. White dress, black hair, floating slowly in the air. She sings so soft, she sings so sweet, pulling me into her frequency. Closer, closer, I can't look away. Deeper, deeper, she wants me to stay. White noise, singing in my head. White noise, filling me with dread. Take me, break me, make me disappear. White noise, I'm already here. Every night she gets more clear, voice is getting closer to my ear. She smiles wider than she should, like she knows I never could. Turn it off, close my eyes. She's already living deep inside. Closer, closer, I can't look away. Deeper, deeper, she wants me to stay. White noise, singing in my head. White noise, filling me with dread. Take me, break me, make me disappear. White noise, I'm already here. If I break the screen tonight, will she finally step outside? Or will I become the noise, forever lost inside her voice? White noise, screaming in my head. White noise, I'm already dead. Take me, break me, make me disappear. White noise, I belong to her. I can't hear my own voice anymore. Only hers, only the white noise.